Step 1. You want to get the attention of your audience in 7 seconds. How do you do that? Interrupt what they are doing. Asking a question is a great pattern interrupt. It has to be a question that is really a problem for them. Now you can explain what your service or product solves for them, the benefits, what they gain by using your service. That is step number 2. To back up your claim. Why are you experienced? Why do you think you can solve their problem? Why is this product exactly right for this problem? And the last step is a call to action. You must only do one call to action. What do you want people to do? Do you want them to go to a website? Do you want them to sign up? Do you want them to call you? One of these. That's your script. In the next lecture, you will find ways to find fill-in-the-blank scripts or to use a template in animation software that has a script built in, or how to outsource your script to Fiverr.